Ka Election Commission of India ECI kala pendok ne Pyndam ya kilai tidiki Seng Pyrthei nakadaw baki klaim trikam ne yakun election hakin rituli ki Sngap ki ne ki Seng Pyrthei ke bagantop ya ka Meghalaya Democratic Party ka North East Social Democratic Party but ka Regional Democratic Secular Congress ka Election Commission of India kala ongro lale yakni haboro ka wikri kerkum kaan but kumba south pa anya south liki register unrecognized political parties kibel sa pendo ni Pyndam ka commission kala kadoro bayak ni lale nakadaw baki tangkhen ya ka parathri arpolai jonga guideline for registration of political parties karkum ka section 29A kaan representation of the people act kabahar recognized pa sanpaway but keberangkam yaki political parties bakini kun yak election chisen hakasan Sngap ka commission kala ongro walapha yaki notice daki chief electoral officer CO jongki jala ndrei ki neki parties ki klema yaki sabut bakilai kun ne yale yak election naru usnam arjagar khandai nakatagadaw kumta kasi ai kala ong but penrap ki parties ki ba Shah pendo ne Pyndam halor kane kila penujor ya kane kajing Shah pendo ne Pyndam apa kala phusngi